Don't look like it hurt.
Hey, look, it's like a floating bed. It hurt even when the stuff got me. Mommy, look, I'm gonna go down the steps. Jonathan, watch this. I'm going down the steps. There you go. That's fun. Mommy, are you recording me going down the steps?
Justin gonna be Mr. Daredevil and go down the steps. Let's see if we have to go to Children's after this. There's not enough snow on it. You lost it.
If I would have landed that, I would have went so fast.
And I got it on one video.
The funnest part is when you get right there and you roll down and you jump off. You try to jump off and you get killed.